The Swiss construction sector employs 330,000 people and turns over 60 billion francs a year. It's responsible for 30% of Switzerland's greenhouse gas emissions, 40% of its energy consumption, and 50% of its waste. As the country's largest construction and construction services company, Implenia contributes significantly to these figures. We know that our actions have an impact on the environment, society, and the economy, and we take our responsibilities seriously. At the same time, we want to seize market opportunities using sustainable products and services wherever we can. We do this by focusing on 5 sustainability priorities. Sustainable products and services, where we're setting the tone with landmark 2000-watt society projects like Schorenstatt in Basel. An attractive working environment, offering employees good career opportunities based on targeted training and development, social engagement and compliance. We're committed to following a binding code of conduct, and we take a responsible attitude to social issues. Financial excellence. We use a comprehensive system for managing risks and opportunities and continuously work on our competitiveness. And an environmentally friendly approach. We are constantly striving to optimize our consumption of resources in various ways. Let's take a closer look at this area. During the period under review, we analyzed our CO2 footprint properly for the first time. So we now know how much greenhouse gas we are emitting. 2/3 of all emissions are accounted for by transport and actual construction work. Another 22% is generated by production facilities, and particularly by the heating required in the manufacture of asphalt for road surfacing. The remaining emissions are accounted for by the operation of our own buildings and on-site offices, etc. We can influence these emissions directly, as we've proved, for example, in Neuhegi, a district of Winterthur. We've set up our own dedicated on-site concrete-making facility to service our various construction projects in Neuhegi. The basic recipe for concrete is simple: cement, gravelly sand, water, and a few additives. The individual ingredients are weighed and poured into the mixer in the right proportions for the particular type of concrete required. Normally, the process requires these ingredients to be transported from different locations to a concrete-making plant, and then the concrete made at the plant has to be brought to the construction site. We've optimized this process in Winterthur to make it more environmentally friendly. Implenia is working on several buildings in Neuhegi, which requires a lot of excavation. The excavated material can be used directly on site to make concrete, which is then used for the actual building work there. There's no need to take the spoil away for processing, and no need to then transport it back to the site as concrete. This drastic reduction in transportation needs will save a total of 775,000 litres of diesel and 2,300 tonnes of CO2 over the course of the 7-year construction period. This is the equivalent of the emissions produced by a car driving around the world 700 times. Implenia has launched numerous other initiatives all over Switzerland to protect the climate. One example is the group-wide Eco-Drive training course, which shows Implenia employees how to reduce fuel consumption when driving. Another is the series of solar power systems producing renewable energy on the roofs of our workshops. We want to remain environmentally friendly in future. Our aim is to reduce annual CO2 emissions by 10%, or 5,000 tonnes by 2017. That's as much as 1,000 Swiss people produce each year. In addition to taking an environmentally friendly approach, we're working hard on lots of other sustainability initiatives within our other priority areas. Sustainable products and services, attractive working environment, social engagement and compliance, and financial excellence. You can find examples from each area, as well as all the facts and figures, in our latest sustainability report. In an effort to save paper and resources, the report is only available online. See for yourself: sustainability.implenia.com.